Christmas decoration demands a lot of creativity and inspiring ideas. That is why we bring you 100 beautiful and valuable Christmas decoration ideas. When it comes to Christmas, decorating your home can bring a sense of joy, warmth, and holiday spirit that transforms any space into a festive retreat. The magic of Christmas decorations is more than just the visual appeal. It's about creating an atmosphere where memories are made, traditions are celebrated, and the essence of the holiday is felt by everyone who enters. From twinkling lights to elegant wreaths, each element you incorporate adds a layer of charm, making your home feel cozier, more welcoming, and festive. Start by envisioning how you want your home to feel this Christmas. Some people prefer a classic, nostalgic look with reds, greens, and golds, while others love experimenting with modern, trendy colors like silver and icy blues. One of the most important things to keep in mind is to balance your decoration scheme, making sure the colors and styles flow naturally from room to room. This way, the decorations enhance the entire home, rather than looking like separate, mismatched pieces. Let's talk about the Christmas tree, which often becomes the centerpiece of your holiday decor. Whether you go for a fresh pine tree or an artificial one, the key to a beautiful Christmas tree is in layering decorations. Start with lights, making sure they're evenly distributed from top to bottom. Next, place your garlands or ribbons to add texture and depth. Then comes the fun part, adding ornaments. Choose a mix of sentimental ornaments, like family keepsakes, and decorative ones that match your overall theme. To top it off, don't forget a stunning tree topper, whether it's a star, angel, or something unique that speaks to your style. Remember, the tree is not just a decoration. It's a symbol of family, tradition, and the heart of Christmas. Now let's move to your mantel. A decorated mantel can really tie together a room's look, especially if you have a fireplace. Drape a lush garland across the mantel, adding twinkling lights for a warm glow. You can mix in seasonal items like pine cones, berries, or even ornaments to add more dimension. Stockings are a classic touch, but feel free to get creative with what you hang. Small wreaths, bells, or festive figurines can add a personal twist. Mantels provide a cozy, intimate feeling, especially when paired with candles or lanterns nearby. These touches bring warmth to the space and invite everyone to gather around and enjoy the season. Don't forget about your dining room. Christmas dinner is one of the most anticipated events during the holidays, so it's essential that your table feels just as special as the meal itself. A simple yet elegant table runner can anchor your design, while carefully placed candles, greenery, and holiday-themed napkins create an inviting space. You can also add small touches like personalized name cards or festive centerpieces to make the dinner experience more memorable. A well-decorated dining room encourages conversation and elevates the entire holiday gathering. The exterior of your home is just as important. A well-decorated entrance sets the tone before your guests even step inside. A wreath on the front door is a must, and you can either go traditional with holly and berries or modern with ornaments and ribbons. Surround your door with lights or garlands to create a magical entryway. And don't forget about the windows. Placing candles or wreaths in them can enhance the festive atmosphere, especially in the evening when the lights glow through the windows, giving your home that storybook charm. Your outdoor spaces should feel like an extension of your indoor decor, keeping the holiday spirit flowing both inside and out. Lighting is another essential element. The soft glow of Christmas lights, whether they're wrapped around your tree, lining your staircase, or draped along your windows, creates a sense of warmth and magic. Consider using warm white lights for a classic, cozy feel, or mix in colored lights if you want to add a playful twist to your decorations. Lights bring everything to life, making your home sparkle and feel more inviting. The right lighting can completely transform how your space feels, turning it into a festive wonderland. For those who love the finer details, don't overlook the small, personalized decorations. Custom ornaments, handmade crafts, or little touches like holiday-scented candles can make all the difference. These thoughtful details show care and attention, which adds a layer of meaning to your decorations. Plus, they're often the most memorable aspects for guests and family members alike. Incorporating personalized elements into your decor creates a more intimate, heartfelt environment, reminding everyone of the love and joy behind the season. An adequately decorated home during Christmas doesn't just look good, it feels good. Decorations can lift spirits, promote togetherness, and provide a sense of comfort during one of the most cherished times of the year. The benefits of having a well-decorated home are both emotional and practical. It creates a space where family traditions are honored, where guests feel welcomed, and where the festive atmosphere sparks joy for everyone. Well-placed decorations can even make your home feel larger, brighter, and more alive. As you continue to add layers of holiday charm throughout your home, remember that the goal is to create an environment where everyone feels the joy and magic of Christmas. It's not about how extravagant or elaborate your decorations are, but rather about the love and thoughtfulness that go into creating a warm and festive atmosphere. You might also consider how different areas of your home can reflect different aspects of the season. For instance, a cozy reading nook can become even more inviting with the addition of a festive throw blanket and a few plush holiday pillows. Small details like these can transform even the simplest corners into a seasonal escape. Adding a small tabletop Christmas tree in a bedroom or hallway can spread the holiday spirit beyond just your main living areas, making every space feel magical. Scent also plays a huge role in creating the perfect Christmas ambience. Pine-scented candles, cinnamon sticks, or even a pot of simmering spice cider on the stove can fill your home with the comforting aromas that remind everyone of Christmas. Incorporating scent into your decorations adds another layer of warmth and connection to the holiday spirit. It can evoke memories and emotions tied to the season, making your home not only look festive but feel festive in every sense. Another great idea is to integrate natural elements into your decorations. Pine branches, holly, mistletoe, or eucalyptus can bring a fresh, organic touch to your home while complementing the festive decorations. These elements can be used in garlands, wreaths, or as part of your table settings. Not only do they look beautiful, but they also add texture and depth to your decor, creating a more dynamic and interesting space. Plus, they're often quite affordable, allowing you to enhance your holiday style without breaking the bank. When it comes to decorating for Christmas, the experience is just as valuable as the end result. Involving your family, especially children, in the decorating process can make it more meaningful. It becomes less about the perfection of each decoration and more about the memories created while hanging ornaments, stringing lights, or assembling the nativity scene together. These moments of shared creativity and joy are what make the holidays truly special. For many, Christmas decorations are a way to honor family traditions. Whether it's hanging up a specific set of ornaments that have been passed down through generations or recreating a favorite childhood scene, traditions give your decor a personal and emotional significance. They connect us to our past and help create a sense of continuity and warmth during the holiday season. At the same time, you can blend old traditions with new ones, introducing fresh ideas into your home that reflect your evolving style and the unique spirit of your family. One of the most important things to remember is to enjoy the process. Decorating for Christmas should never feel like a chore. It's an opportunity to express creativity, bring loved ones together, and truly capture the essence of the holiday. Whether you're decking out every room or keeping it simple, every detail you add contributes to the festive spirit. Don't be afraid to experiment with new ideas, mix different styles, or even create some of your own DIY decorations. Sometimes the most valuable decorations are the ones with stories behind them, things you've crafted yourself or collected over the years. Christmas decorations are more than just ornaments and lights. They're an invitation to slow down, appreciate the beauty of the season, and surround yourself with the warmth of holiday cheer.